I'm Tamaraah Al-Gabbani and I'm a luxury influencer, and I'm based between Riyadh and Dubai. I actually found out about the LifeCo through a friend of mine that had been to the one in Bodrum, and he said it was one of the best detoxes he's ever been to. I came to the LifeCo because since May 2020, I had developed many food allergies, bloating, digestive issues, acne. It was like a whole array of things that had been triggered by the shock of Corona and being displaced during Corona. And I really believe in holistic well-being and healing naturally. So I've been on that journey till now, but I really feel like I needed a reset. So that's why I came. So I was on the Master Detox / Green Detox the first 6 days, and then I moved into a water fast, which was very challenging. But I complemented that with a lot of the other treatments available. So I was doing healing massages, lymphatic massages. I was doing blood ozone therapy, NAD, glutathione. Oh, and I did another one called electrolymphatic therapy, which is a very specialized therapy that pulls out all the toxins from your lymphatic system, which I found very helpful for me. I mean, I'm very honest and truthful, but I'm someone that has like a goal and I really want to heal. So I was willing to go through all the challenges. I was okay energy-wise until I did the water fast. And then when I did the water fast, I just had very, very, very little energy. But I just took it really easy. And the good thing about being here is you're so close to nature and you're with such an amazing, supportive team that help you through every single moment of every day and whatever you're going through. So I arrived a little bit of an anxious mess. I had just moved house. I was going through a lot personally, emotionally. And so when I got here, I was just like, oh my God, I'm so ready to surrender. In the first few days were a little bit difficult. I wasn't really sleeping because I hadn't slept for weeks before I got here. But then day by day, even though the detox was a bit challenging, my sleep got better and my mood improved. And I actually felt, I think because I was so supported by the team here and the friends that I'd made here, I just started to feel more and more positive. It's very difficult to describe one day at the LifeCo because I was on 2 different programs. So when I was on the Master Green Detox, it was okay. It was really easy for me. I wake up very early, so I'd wake up at like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I would be going to the beach for the walk, then I would do yoga, then we'd have a meditation, and then I would book like a massage and then some therapies. And then we'd have some activities in the afternoon as well. But I was very tired by 6 p.m. so I would go to bed. But during the water fast, I really couldn't do any of the activities, so I just took things very easy, and I did a lot of complementary therapies like massage. I did a lot of the ozone and the IVs during that time to give me energy. So I was taking it really smooth and easy, and whenever there was time, I would talk to my new friends that I've made here and just chill in the nature. In terms of my energy levels, when I got here, I feel like I had very high cortisol. So I was like very, very anxious. I couldn't sleep. And then what happened was that slowly started to subside and I started to sleep really, really well. Like the last few nights, I've slept 9 to 10 hours throughout the night without waking up, which I haven't experienced in a really long time. So that feels so good. And my energy is optimum. I have like optimum energy. I learned so much being here. Every day, every moment is like a learning experience because there are so many experts here. And there's also an amazing doctor called Dr. Phil. And the best nurses I've ever met in my life here, and they would also teach me so much about the body, your blood, your systems, how things work, and it's just given me like a new mindset. Also, in terms of dietary nutrition, Gan has also taught me so much. And then we also had these classes of breathing exercises, qigong, and meditation by a lady called Susanna, and she is just an expert, and she also taught us so much about the importance of breathing and oxygen and energy, and how to turn a day around, or a mood around, or pain around, using breath.